first of all, we're going to talk about steps to be a healthier you. I think we have a graphic that really just says it all, and it says to be a healthier you, it's really a good idea to assess your eating habits and lifestyle. You can start with keeping a personal health calendar. You can eat more fruits and veggies, cook at home rather than eat out, support healthy gut bacteria, and don't underestimate the benefits of healthy lifestyle changes. These are all really important, and I want you to kind of sum it all up for me.
Yes, so the basis of a healthy diet definitely starts with eating more fruits and vegetables. Keeping a health calendar goes along with self-monitoring. At the end of the day, you're the one that's responsible for your health and maybe even the health of your family.
So keep track of it.
Yes, keep track. Self-monitoring is a great tool to keep yourself accountable. There's going to be times we slip up. That's just the nature of it. But it's about how fast we can pick up when we slip up.
There was one there, cook at home instead of
Yes.
eating out.
Yes.
We tend to do that more and more today, not only just to save those extra pennies, which are vital, but we all know that it is much healthier to cook at home rather than eat out, isn't it?
Yes, the main reason is because you are in control of what you eat when you prepare your foods at home. So you're grocery shopping, you bring the foods home, and you're in control of what you eat. At the end of the day, even if you eat out at somewhere and it looks healthy, one thing is the sodium. We never know how much sodium that they're adding to the food. So a wonderful salad that has a bunch of colorful vegetables can be really high in sodium for all we know, or maybe have too much dressing. When you cook at home, you're in control of your foods, and there's a lot of benefits not just for you, but also your family. Your kids get exposed to healthier habits at home, and when they're involved in the process, they're more likely to also eat it. So for picky eaters, it also starts at home. So at home, cooking more meals is definitely one place to start.